The Fitzpatrick skin type classification system is a widely recognized tool in dermatology, designed to categorize human skin based on its response to ultraviolet light exposure. Developed by Dr. Thomas Fitzpatrick in 1975, this system helps clinicians assess how different skin types react to sunburn and tanning. Originally intended to guide treatment decisions for phototherapy and laser procedures, the Fitzpatrick scale has since become essential for evaluating skin cancer risks and recommending appropriate sun protection. By understanding an individual's skin type, dermatologists can tailor care and advice more effectively, ensuring better outcomes for patients. The classification ranges from Type 1, which always burns and never tans, to Type 6, which never burns and tans very easily. The Fitzpatrick skin type system is a widely used method for classifying human skin based on its response to ultraviolet light. Determination of skin type involves assessing two main factors: the natural color of the skin and how it reacts to sun exposure. Individuals are asked about their skin's tendency to burn or tan when exposed to sunlight, as well as their baseline skin tone before sun exposure. By evaluating these characteristics, the system categorizes skin into 6 distinct types, ranging from very fair skin that always burns and never tans, to deeply pigmented skin that rarely burns and tans easily. This classification helps guide recommendations for sun protection and skincare, as different skin types have varying levels of sensitivity to UV radiation. Fitzpatrick skin type Y is characterized by very fair or pale skin, often with a tendency to freckle. Individuals with this skin type typically have light-colored eyes and natural red or blonde hair. Their skin tone is usually porcelain or ivory, and it burns easily when exposed to sunlight, rarely tanning. Type 1 skin is highly sensitive to ultraviolet radiation and requires diligent sun protection to prevent damage. Because of its low melanin content, this skin type is more prone to sunburn and long-term effects of sun exposure, such as premature aging and increased risk of skin cancer. Fitzpatrick skin type 2 is characterized by fair or pale skin, often accompanied by light-colored eyes and hair. Individuals with this skin type typically burn easily when exposed to the sun and rarely tan. After sun exposure, their skin may develop freckles or redness rather than a golden hue. Type 2 skin is particularly sensitive to ultraviolet radiation, making it more prone to sunburns and long-term sun damage. Protective measures, such as using sunscreen and wearing hats, are especially important for those with this skin type. Understanding these features helps guide effective sun safety practices and skincare routines. Fitzpatrick skin type 3 is characterized by a fair to beige complexion, often with golden undertones. Individuals with this skin type may have light brown or dark blonde hair and hazel or light brown eyes. While their skin can tan gradually, it is still prone to sunburn, especially with prolonged exposure. Sun sensitivity is moderate, meaning that protection such as sunscreen is recommended to prevent damage. Freckles may appear with sun exposure, and the risk of long-term effects like premature aging remains present. Understanding these traits helps guide appropriate skincare and sun safety measures for those with skin type 3. Fitzpatrick skin type 4 is characterized by a moderate brown complexion, commonly found among individuals of Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, or Asian descent. People with this skin type typically tan easily and rarely experience sunburn. The skin's natural melanin provides a higher level of protection against ultraviolet rays compared to lighter skin types. However, prolonged exposure to sunlight can still lead to pigmentation changes and other sun-related effects. Understanding these characteristics helps in choosing appropriate sun protection and skincare routines tailored to the needs of type 4 skin. Fitzpatrick skin type 5 is characterized by brown skin with dark hair and dark eyes. Individuals with this skin type typically have a moderate amount of melanin, which provides a higher natural protection against sunburn compared to lighter skin types. When exposed to the sun, skin type 5 rarely burns and tans easily and deeply. The skin's increased melanin content helps absorb and dissipate ultraviolet radiation more effectively. However, while sunburn is uncommon, prolonged sun exposure can still lead to skin damage and increase the risk of pigmentation changes. Recognizing these features is important for understanding how skin type 5 responds to sunlight and for making informed decisions about sun protection. Fitzpatrick skin type 6 is characterized by deeply pigmented dark brown to black skin. Individuals with this skin type typically have black hair and dark brown eyes. The skin rarely burns and tans very easily, offering a natural protection against the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation. However, despite this increased resistance to sunburn, prolonged sun exposure can still cause damage over time, including hyperpigmentation and an increased risk of certain skin conditions. It's important to note that while sunburn is uncommon, regular sun protection remains essential to maintain healthy skin. People with skin type 6 may also be more prone to pigmentary changes following injury or inflammation. Understanding these characteristics helps guide appropriate skincare and sun safety practices. The Fitzpatrick skin type classification divides skin into 6 distinct categories, each based on pigmentation and reaction to sun exposure. Type 1 features very fair skin that burns easily and rarely tans, while Type 2 is also fair but may tan minimally. Type 3 has a light to medium complexion with some ability to tan and moderate risk of burning. Type 4 is characterized by olive or light brown skin that tans more easily and burns less frequently. Type 5 includes brown skin that tans readily and is less sensitive to the sun. And Type 6 represents deeply pigmented dark brown or black skin, which rarely burns and tans very easily. These differences in pigmentation and sun sensitivity play a crucial role in determining appropriate sun protection and understanding individual risks for sun damage. The Fitzpatrick skin type system is widely utilized across various fields, including medicine, skincare, and cosmetic procedures. In clinical settings, it helps healthcare professionals assess a patient's risk for sunburn and skin cancer, guiding recommendations for sun protection and screening. Skincare specialists use the system to tailor treatments, such as chemical peels or laser therapies, to individual skin types, minimizing adverse reactions and optimizing results. Cosmetic practitioners rely on Fitzpatrick classifications to determine appropriate settings for procedures like laser hair removal, ensuring safety and effectiveness. By understanding a person's skin type, professionals can provide more personalized care, enhance outcomes, and reduce the likelihood of complications. Determining your Fitzpatrick skin type involves assessing how your skin responds to sun exposure, particularly whether you burn easily or tan gradually. Typically, this is done by considering factors such as your natural skin color, eye and hair color, and your history of sunburns or tanning. Understanding your skin type is important because it helps you make informed choices about sun protection, skincare products, and treatments that are best suited for your complexion. For example, people with lower Fitzpatrick types may be more susceptible to sunburn and skin damage, while those with higher types may have increased melanin and a greater tendency to tan. Knowing your skin type can also guide dermatologists in recommending procedures and predicting your skin's reaction to certain treatments. Ultimately, this knowledge empowers you to care for your skin more effectively and reduce the risk of long-term damage. The Fitzpatrick skin type classification system is widely used to categorize skin based on its response to ultraviolet light. However, there are several misconceptions and limitations associated with this method. One common misconception is that it can accurately represent all skin tones and ethnic backgrounds, when in reality, it was originally developed using a limited population sample. The system may not account for the full diversity of skin pigmentation, leading to potential inaccuracies in assessment. Additionally, it focuses primarily on sunburn and tanning responses, overlooking other important factors such as genetic background and underlying skin conditions. As a result, relying solely on the Fitzpatrick scale can sometimes lead to misclassification and inadequate skincare recommendations. In summary, the Fitzpatrick skin type classification provides a valuable framework for understanding how different skin tones respond to sun exposure and other environmental factors. By identifying your skin type, you can make informed decisions about sun protection, skincare routines, and treatments tailored to your specific needs. This knowledge is crucial for minimizing the risk of sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer. Recognizing the unique characteristics of each skin type helps both individuals and healthcare professionals promote healthier skin practices. Ultimately, awareness of the Fitzpatrick skin types empowers everyone to take proactive steps toward maintaining optimal skin health.